Well, we've had a brief discussion about the basics of the let's check function. Now let's look at it in action. So first of all, you need to load up the Fritz 13 software, as I've done here. You can see I've got loaded a pretty normal standard opening position from the Evans Gambit in this case, but it'll work from any position at all. And it'll also work with any of the chess-based engines you have loaded onto your machine. For now, I'm going to use the Fritz 13 engine itself. But perhaps most importantly, you need to be doing this on a computer that's connected to the internet. That may sound pretty obvious, but you'd be surprised how many times I get asked questions and it turns out they're just not connected to the internet. So be on using Fritz 13 and be connected to the internet, because obviously this function's all about sending data to the internet and also accessing data from the internet. So once you're ready to go, you can access the function in a few different ways. Here in the Engine tab, you can click on the Let's Check button, or you can go down to the Engine pane here and click the big blue arrow. Either way, you get the same result. We suddenly get the Let's Check pane. If this is the first time, you may need to go to your settings and enter your PlayChess account name. You can do this anonymously, but for some of the more interesting functions later on that we'll cover in some of the other videos, you do want to make sure that you've got a PlayChess account name and you've entered it here. So once you've done all that, you've got your account name, your password, click OK, and then you're ready to go. And we'll look at just some of what this means in the next few videos.